Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a new teardown video. I'm going to tear down the REMO SMAX. If you want more details about it, go ahead and watch the unboxing. For the first impression, it looks very well built. The car has a decent weight on it. It looks very nicely built. We're going to tear down, look a bit inside. Maybe it will help you decide whether or not to get the car. And if you have any damage to the car, this video will show you how to take it apart and fix it. So let's get started. As you can see here, the battery is outside. Put it on charging. If you see inside, you see there is a classic ESC and servo and RX combined, the motor and the servo. I will start by taking out the upper plate. This car uses hex screws. You can see here, it's nice, I like it better. See here the pinion, the spore. We'll count it later and add to the video. It seems that only these two screws, plastic here, holds up the motor. If you look closely, you can see, you can adjust here the weight. So that's the motor. If you think your motor is dead, this is how you replace it. Just only two screws. You pry it out. That's it. As I look closely, this is all the upper brace and the upper case of the diffs are all one big part. So if I want to open it, I need to take everything out. So now I can take out all the parts. As you can see here, metal dog bone, and you can see the diff. This one, the second is exactly the same. It's not as smooth as I want it to be. I'm gonna open it. As you can see, it came at the best. Let's open the diff. As you can see, it came without any grease on it. You can see It has metal, only 2 here. Probably we want to add 2 more, but it's very common when you see an entry level hobby grade or a third grade. With only 2, there is grease inside. Not sure what it was so stuck. I guess it's the first build of it. See if I can fix it. Okay, so the first thing is, when I took out the diffs, I saw they are very stuck. The problem is, the screws are too tight. It's not the best diff, but after I took it apart, close it back, not too tight, seems to work fine. So the first tip is, take out the diffs and reset it. See that it runs smooth, and after you bring them back, add some grease on it. That's for the diffs. You can see here, spool, it has metal parts. See the bearing. As you can see, it's a plastic drive shaft. Don't really like it, but this is what you get with the car. One part out. It uses a standard 12mm hex, so you can use a lot of different wheels, about 1 to 10 scale wheels. Ball bearings, as you can see here, another one on the other side. Let's look at the shocks. Very simple plastic shock. It has some kind of rubber. I guess you can add oil inside. Won't be that effective, but still will be a bit better. What else? The servo. We'll take it outside so I can measure it. .36 by length, and it's about 30 millimeters. You can see. On 15 point second, about 15.2. That's a servo, very simple 5-wire servo. If you upgrade the electronics, you will replace it. So I guess that's about it. Not a lot to it, very common. If you saw my other Teardown videos, this is basically the same. So the most important thing is, take the car apart when you get it, take out the diffs, make sure it runs smooth, then add some grease on it and put it back. If you saw, to take it out, you need to take all the screws up here, as you saw in the start. Another thing important, all the car uses 2mm hex screw, very nice. very easy to take apart. Only the diffs 1.5 millimeter. So all you need is these two screwdrivers. You saw the motor. There you see it just glued like everything else. If you want to take it out, you need to use some force on it to take it out. And now I'm gonna bring everything back after I grease the gears, put it back, count it out for you, all the spore and the pinion. So if you want to order maybe a metal one or to upgrade it, you can. After I bring everything back, I'm gonna take the car outside, do some test runs, everything stock. Later I'm probably gonna change the electronics, going brushless, because for the build quality of the car, except for the shocks, it seems very nice. I very like the design, very like how it built, and I'm probably gonna upgrade it and use it more. So thank you for watching, hope this helps you, and I see you guys next time.